Hey guys, here's a new update on the N-scale train layout. As you guys can see, it is in a new basement and a new house. I do not have any of the track from module to module connected yet, but I will eventually be doing it today, is my hope. Here's the town of Hershey my mom's building on the turn module. You can see most of it is back to normal in here, as you can see, obviously. So I actually made the module and the layout a little smaller this time. We have a 4-foot section here with a bridge scene, and then we have this section that I haven't finished yet with another little bit of bridge scene, which completes a total of 8 feet. So we have an 8-foot section. The last we did have a 4th module here, or a 3rd module here at one point that was a 4-foot. You can see how the track here doesn't line up. I'm going to eventually get that to line up. Also, we kind of ran into a little issue back here. The track doesn't line up, as you can obviously see. So we are going to try to line that up. I might have to redo some of this and redo some of that. But I did forget one tool from my brother's house, which would have been my solder gun. I got to get some solder. Might have to rewire some things for wiring for soldering. So I forgot my solder gun. A little disappointed in that, but whatever. Here's the mountain scene that you always have seen before. I haven't finished it, as you can see, yet, but eventually will be. There's the bridge scene back there, which I'll show you as we go around here. Here's the campground. Campground is complete. There's one thing I might end up doing right here at this mountain scene with no track going into the tunnel, is you can see how this is a separate piece from this mountain here. I'm going to tie both of them in to make it one solid piece. But for right now, this is what we got. So here's the bridge scene. It is complete. I was surprised that we were actually able to move this without removing the bridge and stuff like that. So on the old 4-foot module that was down on that straightaway there that completes 8 feet in length right now, but there was a 4th one, so it would push the layout further back. I used to have this here for my coal mine. I cut this to the size for it to fit, and boom, we have a coal mine entrance. So it's not glued down or anything yet, but eventually we'll fix all that and make it look pretty and good. We have our coal mine scene going to go here. There might be a 3rd track. I might make a yard here for extra parking for the train cars. Coal, I might flip the switch around and put a 3rd line here. I don't know, we'll see. But that's coal mine scene. That's still obviously not finished, but yeah, so that's an update on the layout in the new house. Right over there is that module I was talking about. Let me zoom into it. As you can see, you're probably wondering what that electrical cable is for. It actually goes up. That wire goes to an outlet where that light bulb is. That powers all these 8-foot ceiling lights I have for lighting up the layout. The cat is up on the window. Look at that. But this extension cord actually runs all the way down the basement because fortunately you don't have an outlet. Let me show you that. So it goes up, down, across that beam, and then there's a red wire that goes all the way to an outlet on the ceiling right there. So that's how I'm getting power to the layout right now. And speaking of power, the power box is right there, and a little outlet thing there for plugging the lights and stuff to run the campground lights and run the layout in. That is actually not going to be there anymore. I'm actually going to move that to somewhere around here in this area. But one other thing I want to show you that's also underneath is this under table layout. Again, is complete. So how cool is that? It is completed all the way around, so I can run something all the way around if I wanted to. And again, it's not DC powered, it's only DC powered. But as you can see, it's pretty cool. Let me go over here so you can see that's complete. Oh, sorry. So you can see the track on the back side there. So yeah, cool. Anyways, that's the update. I'm gonna do some track work today, and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.